Okay, you've been chasing those winds for a couple of nights now.
I'm always chasing wind.
Okay, Bruce, thank you.
Pay attention, kids. It's story time. When I was a kid, I would spend some time every summer with family in North Dakota. I was actually born there. During one visit, when I was about 12 years old, my uncle had to move an old truck, not at all unlike this one. It had been sitting there, stuck, for years. As my uncle attached tow straps to the front of the truck, he told me he wanted me to sit in the seat and actually steer when he went to pull it out. I was elated. I didn't get to do a whole lot of driving at the ripe old age of 12. So I hopped up in the seat and I grabbed the steering wheel, and I couldn't help but notice that no matter how hard I tried, I couldn't turn the wheel. And I called my uncle over and I said, how am I supposed to steer this thing when the wheel won't even turn? And he said, don't worry, once we get going, you're gonna be just fine. So sure enough, once we got moving, I could steer and everything was just fine. So here's the lesson. If you're feeling stuck, like you don't know what to do with your channel, just start moving. Or in this case, just start uploading. Get some experience, get some momentum, and you're gonna be able to move this thing wherever you want.